हेलो नमस्कार, दिस इज सुशांत चोपड़ा फ्रॉम अमेरिकन स्टूडियो नासिक एंड आप देख रहे हैं एक शो जिसका नाम है आपकी चैट. सो वेयर आर्किटेक्ट discuss about design details and of course elegance. Welcome, and today we have a very dynamic personality from Nasik, a designer who is very young but very visionary. We welcome interior designer Manali Panjwani. Hello ma'am.
हाय.
वेलकम टू द शो. कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया एकदम. आप बताइए.
मैम आपने इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग चालू किया है रिसेंट, लाइक यू आर यंग इंटीरियर डिजाइनर इन मार्केट एंड आपके दिमाग में प्रेरणा कहाँ से, आपने कैसे शुरू किया? वी वांट टू नो दैट.
दैट्स अ वेरी फनी स्टोरी.
ओके.
So I was doing commerce and my father wanted me to become a CA. I guess most Sindhi Marwadis have that thing कि एक CA तो घर पे होना चाहिए.
Right.
But then I was very artistic since childhood and I did not wanted to pursue CA ahead. So I did a test and something and I saw there's one bright side in interiors and architecture. So I pursued interiors since then. So post 12th I did my interiors. I did a bachelor's degree in that.
That's really amazing to hear. एंड आपने इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग तो कर लिया, बट आपको क्या लगता है मैम, व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज दैट एन इंटीरियर डिजाइनर शुड हैव? वो क्या क्वालिटीज है जो आप देखते हो?
So this is very important question. While studying, even I had that rough idea in my head कि सिर्फ पर्दे सिलेक्ट करने होते हैं और चीज़ें कलर सिलेक्ट कर दो, बट ऑनेस्टली डिजाइनिंग इज नॉट दैट.
राइट.
Designing is a lot more than selections. It's about functionality. It's how form follows functionality, and to set up a happy place to whoever my customer is. Tomorrow if a customer comes or a client comes to me with a specific requirement, उनकी requirements fulfill करते with getting a proper design is the motto. So it's not only about just draft कर लिया and you give it to the client.
Taking this question ahead, actually जैसा कि आपने बताया, it's not like कि मैंने sketch बना दिया and हो गया. But what are the biggest challenges you face being a designer? Like being a designer, what are the challenges, the big challenges you face today?
So while talking about challenges, there are multiple challenges as of like taking inspiration and designing something new every day.
Right.
That's my job. I love it. But yes, when it comes to challenge, बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं. Pinterest is such an open book to everyone.
That is the biggest challenge.
Yeah, we want the same thing, and then वो आप जो reference ले आए हो, we don't mind doing that or similar to that, but that should also suit to the certain space.
Right.
That is one of the most biggest challenge. Rest, I guess it's more of creativity every day.
Actually, it's about balancing everything, being a field which is so creative, so amazing. And having said that, ma'am, इस field में पैशन और स्किल दोनों कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है, या दोनों में से आप ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी किसको देना चाहेंगे?
That's a tough question. दोनों equally ही important है. Without passion, I guess you cannot design, and without skills, if you have a good team, you can get it done. But then also to train your team, you need to be skilled and passionate. Right. That much. Then only you will be able to train your team ahead.
That's really like you're connecting it very well. And secondly, मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि आपने इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं आज तक नासिक में, इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आप ऑलरेडी कर रहे हो नासिक में, वो कौन सा ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट था जो आपके लिए बहुत टफ था, या जिस प्रोजेक्ट में क्लाइंट की बहुत अजीब रिक्वायरमेंट थी और आपको फुलफिल करने में बहुत कष्ट हुआ पर आपने किया?
सी रिक्वायरमेंट तो हर क्लाइंट का अलग होता है. एवरीवन हैज़ ऑल टुगेदर अ डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट, बट डिफ़िकल्ट तो नहीं कह सकते हैं. येस, एट द अर्लीस्ट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय ओन फर्म आफ्टर वर्किंग और डूइंग जॉब एज एन internship or an intern design assistant designer, for the first time when I tackled my client, it was the most difficult way. I guess वो हर डिज़ाइनर के लिए होता है to understand कि सामने वाला क्या चाहता है, because the client comes with hundreds of thoughts in their head, not very sure that what they want.
Right.
And see, it's not a problem. वो उनको पता ही नहीं, वो इसीलिए हमारे पास आए तब ताकि हम उन्हें सॉर्ट करके ऐसे बैलेंस आउट कर सके. So I guess the first client was not a problem but was a gift to me by God. But yeah, उनके बहुत सारे requirements थे and we had to tackle it down. We had to make him understand that this is this and this is this, and it was great. And hereafter, there's no hard job. It's more of creativity, and it's to understand people.
इनिशियल डेज आर रियली वो अभी भी याद आते हैं, मुझे भी मेरे इनिशियल डेज बहुत आते हैं, एक्चुअली सबको ही याद रहता है बिकॉज दोज डेज आर रियली टफ इन लाइफ, बट हमको बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है, समझने मिलता है,
Yes.
एंड वी एक्चुअली कम अप फ्रॉम दोज डेज, तो हम लोग एक अच्छा और बेहतर इंसान बन जाते हैं। ओके, हैविंग सेड दैट मैम, आजकल के लाइफ में वेयर डिज़ाइनिंग एंड इंटीरियर्स इतना आगे बढ़ चुका है, इतना यू नो टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज, इनोवेशन वाइज, एवरी डे नया कुछ तो भी आ रहा है, बट in this era of design and interiors, how do you think is veneer important in the project? मतलब
Okay.
being an ancient thing, veneer is almost I think 400 years पहले veneer बना था इजिप्ट में फर्स्ट टाइम।
Right.
फ्रॉम देयर टू ईयर 400 साल पहले का प्रोडक्ट हम लोग आज भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, आपके दिमाग में विनियर को लेके क्या आता है कि एक प्रोजेक्ट में विनियर कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है या क्या रोल प्ले करता है?
Okay. So veneer is something natural. अभी तो बहुत सारे veneers dyed और वो सब भी आ चुके हैं, but the special you know material का characteristics of that material is every stem of the tree is different.
Alright.
Every area gives you a different color and different variation. That is the quality of veneer, and it's how you use. Acha, veneer is versatile. You can
Right.
use it anywhere. Let it be residential, commercial, or any space. There's a wide range of array you can work with veneer. So आप center table का piece बना दो, wardrobe बनाइए, या कोई commercial space में एक highlighter board कीजिए, या कोई एक door बनाइए. People are doing crazy. People are playing with veneers. So veneer is a never-ending, I guess, material. उसमें day by day new चीज़ें आ ही रही है.
That is
So-
that is really admirable, because that is truth actually,
Yeah.
because it is nature.
It is nature.
Finally. And giving a creative space and giving a natural touch to the project,
To the project.
people are using veneers.
And if you remember, I guess you had started earlier, and I was working with someone as
Right.
an assistant. I guess we met that time
Right,
as well.
right.
I remember.
right. You were at our store for your veneer
Veneer
selection of
selection.
your personal house.
Personal house as well.
Yeah.
Yes. I guess that's our journey started where we met.
Right. Ma'am, we met 8 to 9 years back.
Yeah.
And from there to here, do you have any suggestion or do you have any, आपको क्या लगता है और कैसा लगा हमारे साथ काम करके, या what was your experience on personal level, या कुछ सुझाव, या आप कुछ देना चाहेंगे for us? I'll call it as feedback.
Okay.
So,
Okay. I guess feedback तो नहीं है. I really like your veneers. I'm seeing them since past so many years. As we just discussed, I've used your veneer. I'm really happy with the upcoming things that you have come with, lime plaster
Right.
and other paint.
Right.
All the best. Just keep going on. I expect lot new things from you. Being, I guess, on a similar generation.
Right.
I guess the market is changing on a very fast pace. So you have to be up with the material game.
Right.
That is the only feedback, and rest you're doing great. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think I hope you enjoyed our show today, and
Yes.
it was nice to have you at our chat. Ma'am, एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर खेलेंगे हम आपके साथ.
Okay.
We'll be having a rapid fire round, ma'am. आपको बहुत ही क्विक रहना है इसमें.
Fair enough.
लाइन प्लास्टर और वॉलपेपर?
Oh, tough question. Wallpaper.
Okay. कर्टन्स या ब्लाइंड?
Curtains.
फेवरेट कलर पैलेट राइट नाउ?
That's a tough one. But I like bold colors, and I would like to go with a beige tone, what I'm already wearing. Neutrals.
Okay. कॉफी और चाय?
Chai, always a chai person.
If not interior designer, then what?
If not an interior designer, यार ऐसे सोचा नहीं है, but दूसरा ऑप्शन सोचना पड़ेगा.
बहुत ही मजा आया आज मैम के साथ, रैपिड फायर के साथ हम लोग ये राउंड एक शो खत्म करते हैं. वी रियली एंजॉयड लॉट एंड वी वर प्लेस्ड दैट मैम हमारे साथ थे, एंड शी शेयर्ड स्टेज विद अस एंड गेव अस ब्यूटीफुल नॉलेज जर्नी. उनकी क्या थी हमने समझी, सीखी, and few many things which people out there didn't know. एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप आए
you.
और आपने शो को एक अलग वेटेज दिया.
Thank you.
Thank you so
so
much, ma'am.
Thank you for inviting me.